I think this would be the primary source because first, it's stating facts about the Statue of Liberty, and in order to know what this is talking about, you have to know about the Statue of Liberty. So,
maybe I think this is the primary because it's made first.
I don't think
Yeah, but I don't think it matters about which you made first.
I think it means like what you should know first. Like you should know about the Statue of Liberty before you read this because you have to know about what it's talking about.
So what I hear Wendy saying is that in order for this author to make this poem, like you decided it was a poem, for them to get their facts, they would have to refer to a primary source, like an article like this, which gives you the facts.
But where do you get the facts from? Where do they get all that information? So they have to read another article to get all that information to write their article? What do you think? If you're researching something, what do you have to go do? Research? So if you're researching the Statue of Liberty, what do you have to do? Do you have to read a bunch of articles?
You should observe the Statue of Liberty.
Observe the Statue of Liberty, so you'd have to go there? So you have to go see the Statue of Liberty before you go write your article?
Well, you could, or you could just research.
But what if there was no research? What if you were the first person? What would you have to do?
You have to research it first.
And
You have research on this.
like as
But you have to research it first, then see it.
yeah, you have to see it because how else would you know?
So based on what Wendy just said, what do you think is the primary and secondary source? Okay, so you still think the article is the primary source? Okay.
Which one?
Who was born like long before the person who wrote that. So they know about it. Like they like know about the Statue of Liberty. And this person who wrote this doesn't know it. So they have to. If they're the first person writing the article, then they have to get information from somebody who already knows about it. So, what do you think is primary?
Did you have an aha moment, Jeremy? Let me talk about your aha moment.
Well, like when I saw this says the same thing as that.
So this has... Oh, so that's a part of the poem. So how, if this is your primary source and you think this is the first thing for information, how did they get that part of the poem? They took it from that? Oh, okay.
No, look. Read that part and read this. This is the same thing.
Okay, we're going to rotate again.
Conferences that they were talking about it. They don't have to have cameras. They just like because you know how kind of like a diary. They were saying like what they had to do to make the Constitution. So like they were brainstorming their ideas so they could put it in the Constitution.
Rodrigo, do you think that was the original, what you watched?
No.
No.
Not the original. Because I agree with Jennifer. They don't have cameras, but like maybe it was just telling what happened in the past.
If that's the case, Rodrigo, do you think that that's a primary or a secondary source document?
Maybe a primary.
Can you tell me a little bit more as to why? you want me to come back to you?
Yeah.
Thank you. Alright, so before we start, my question was, how do we come to know in history? Do we need primary source documents, do we need secondary, or do we need both? Thank you, Jeremy. Go ahead.
Both. Maybe you may need a picture to know what it is. Sometimes you can tell a lot from the picture.
My question to you is though, these two, that's not a picture. No. Do you want me to come back to you? Richard?